Hey guys, Jolster here. So I have a new LED ambient light kit. This is Neo by Lytmi. It is a sync box, which means that you can connect your gaming consoles or your Amazon Fire Stick and sync the lights with the display. Whether you're gaming or maybe watching a movie, these lights are very bright and accurate and cost less than half the price of the Philips sync box at only $130. So let's take a closer look if they are worth your money. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Jolster, and let's do this! Guys, before I continue, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm very close to reaching 50,000 subscribers, so I would truly appreciate your help reaching that goal. Alright guys, so here is what's included inside the box. Here are the LED strips. These are 2.35 meter roll IP65, so it's water resistant. You can submerge this into water, but at least it will resist some of splash. Same here, this is the second roll, 2.35 meters IP65 ambient light, 12 volts, and these are powered by USB type A, which this one's connect to this box right here. There you go. Now that I have this box, this is the box that controls everything. The power goes in here, the LED strips go here, and here are two HDMI ports. One is input, the other one is output, and there's a reset button right here. This is very small, very lightweight, so there it is. Here is an HDMI cable. This is the power connector, goes to the power, and these are the guides that go in on the TV for the corners, I guess so. And here we have the instructions. They seem with pictures, easy to follow. Alright guys, so I finally finished the installation, but before I flip the TV, I wanted to make sure that everything is working properly. Now you do have to download an application I will show you right here. So it is called Lytmi. There is a code right there on the instructions, which makes it a lot easier to just find it through either Android or iPhone. So once you go in through this app, you do have to register. You can register through your email, which is the best way. They're going to send you a code, and they're just going to enter the code through the app, and also a password. Just make up whatever password that you want. Once you register, you're going to, this is pretty much log into this application. So here you have to log into your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you use a 2.4 Hertz. It doesn't work with 5G, so make sure you use a 2.4, and then you just create a scene, name it, and log in. It's going to register the box right away. It's super easy to register the box. So once you are here, you can turn it off and turn it back on, and that's how it looks. Well, sort of. Let me see if I can. There it goes. This is one scene. I mean, there's different scenes that you open up the application, and then there's one called taste right here, and it'll give you different scenes. But I'm going to flip the TV. I wanted to just show you a little bit how it looks right now. I'm going to flip the TV and play around with the settings and with the video and everything. Let's do this. Alright guys, so here is one of the tests that I wanted to put on so you guys can see how accurate this kit is. And let me tell you, it is very, very accurate. I have the lights on. I also wanted to show you how bright it is. Even with the lights on, I can still see, you know, the ambient light changing. It's very clear, but I'm gonna shut down the lights so you guys can see how cool this is. This is very, very awesome. And once again, it is super accurate. I mean, all right guys, so this to me is the ultimate test for ambient light kit. And just to show you once again how accurate it is, it has several different colors, and it's spinning, and it's just showing on time, like in real time, the color changing. I really like this. All right, so imagine playing God of War with this ambient light in the background. I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to feel more immersive experience, because this game, it's also very colorful. Not everywhere, but in some scenes. I mean, look at this. Oh my God, let's get into this tunnel. It's gonna get darker, but there's some light effects going on. Yes. Man, this is so nice.
Should we try talking to them?
No.
But maybe they...
So here, let me show you something that I really like. There's this section that says music, right? And it has a microphone, so the whole lights will perform with the music in the background. It's really nice. Let's say that you want to have a party in your house, right? And you want to put some music, maybe some really cool videos like this. But what about having an ambient light in the background? So I had to remove the audio because of the song, the copyright and everything. But I wanted to show you how the lights work with music, with audio. And even though it's not matching exactly the screen, because it's not with the screen, it's through the audio, I think it looks really awesome. It looks like you're in a concert. Really, honestly, this is really a next level LED kit. Now let's say that you want something in the background, there is no sound or anything. Let's go to this part that says taste. There you go. And you have several different smart light already presets. So for example, this one says rainbow and it starts changing the lights. Rainbow colors, really nice, very, very bright. I like that. This one, it says fire. So it kind of looks like there's a fireplace behind the TV. That's really nice. There's some different ones. This is red, so it is very bright. I like this one, the stars. So it kind of looks like there's some stars behind in the background. There's also fireworks. So you have several options here that you can have on your TV. Maybe different moods. Maybe you want to have, like I said, that you want to have a party, and you have this in the background. It's gonna be so nice. Let's see, swing. What is that? Okay, so it's just moving like one of those swing things. There you go. I don't know what ball. That one is ball, and this is flow. I mean, you have several different options. It's really nice, and the app is really easy to use. So also, let's say that you want to have just a solid color in the background. You can choose, for example, this one that says pure, and then we can choose the colors, and then right here we can make them change. See that? You can make it change to whatever color you want in the background. I like the little synchronization, how it's changing. You guys notice that? It's so clean. It's so nice and clean. And here's the red one. Well, kind of like more like a purple. So there you have it. If you want to add a next level of immersion to your TV while watching movies or gaming, the Lytmi Neo is a must. It sells for $130 and it's available on Amazon. Now, the only negative I see about these kits is that they are limited to 4K 30 for gaming. That means that you won't be able to play a 4K 60 or no HDR either, but there's always a way. I have an HDMI splitter that allows me to play a 4K 60 with HDR as well. All you have to do is connect your consoles or Fire Stick to the HDMI in, and the other port goes to the TV, and the other one goes to the sync box, and that's it. There are newer models that support Dolby Vision and also Dolby Atmos, and they cost around $30. I will leave links in the description if you would like to purchase any of these kits. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.